Got the camera out, that means one thing. We're gonna vlog today, yeah we are. It's one of the girls' birthdays today, Jenna, it's her birthday. So we are in Cartagena, which is the port with all the animals, but we're gonna go into the old town today, which we've been there before, but we didn't take you with us. So we're gonna go to the old town, have a little wander around and get some food and then come back, and then later on when we get back on board we might play a few games for Jenna's birthday. So I shall try and take the camera and film as much as we possibly can, but I can see Ash by the door egging us to go, so I've got to go, so bye. It's Jenna's birthday today! Oh, why is it so misty? Let me give it a little clean. That's better. Getting in the staff car.
Singing the song and it's a good day. Alright, Stardust.
It's very warm. I looked out the porthole and I looked up and I didn't think it was going to be like crazy warm because it looked a bit muggy.
Yeah, it looked really misty.
It's actually very hot. Jenna, where are you taking us?
Food! I can't say it, you can't pronounce it.
Go, you gotta try.
Questo restaurant or something like that. It's kind of Italian sounding, but it's so yummy.
And we have to say a big thank you to Tiago for sorting out transport for us.
Private car. VIP and the HDM couldn't even get in with us. That's how special we are.
VIPs. For Jenna's birthday! Some people have got mimosas, and then these guys are drinking, apparently it's a Colombian Limonada de Coco, a Colombian special, right? Coconut lemonade.
Yeah. Limonada de Coco. Coconut. It's more like lime. Yeah.
I've gone for coconut, no, lemonade mango. Everybody's food's here, looks really good. Jenna's gone for seafood risotto.
Yeah.
Ash has just got loads of seafood. Look at Aaron's risotto. Put on steak with it. We are here to celebrate Jenna's birthday. Got my shoes. We've got some Disney balloons on the wall.
Well, I can
Girls
put
on
some
the
music
bed.
on. I can put some music on and I can have a Disney film on mute in the background.
Josie's got a really good game. Yeah.
I've got a Disney quiz for you later.
It's gonna be Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, Jenna. And you can phone a friend if you want.
Watching people put them in is the funniest part.
Yeah.
No, we can't go
around your lips.
under your lip.
She's got it on her takeoff.
Really? Out comes the tea. Say hello, Karen.
Breaking her joy.
Say hi, Mom. Hang on. Go.
Violet. Like laughing. I got duck in here. One of these. Hogwash.
Fellas, crank, fight. Like, fight. Crank.
What the fuck?
before.
I thought that sounded like something else.
Time.
The horse. The horse.
That sounds Afrikaans, meant to skip that.
Perfectly hot purple popcorn.
Perfectly hot purple popcorn.
Peter was
Hurring.
I get it.
Hurring.
something and hauling.
Hurring.
I don't know.